Welcome to today's video where we're going to dive into a common problem faced in modern calling conventions when dealing with variadic functions. The problem arises when we look at calling conventions like x86-64 sysv style and arch64 style, where variadic arguments are passed in registers just like other arguments, leading to a rather complicated and resource-wasting implementation. Now, let's delve into the solution to this problem. One key aspect of passing variadic arguments in registers is that it eliminates the need for both the caller and the callee to distinguish between variadic and non-variadic functions. For instance, consider calling a prototype-less function like in printf. In this scenario, you wouldn't know if the function is variadic or not. However, by following the convention of passing variadic and non-variadic arguments in the same way, the caller can treat it as a variadic function by setting AL and calling it, with the callee able to handle this seamlessly. In summary, the problem of complex and resource-wasting implementation in handling variadic arguments in modern calling conventions is addressed through a solution that maintains consistency in the calling conventions for both variadic and non-variadic functions. This approach ensures that functions can be called without the need to explicitly know if they are variadic or not. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this explanation helpful in understanding the intricacies of variadic functions in modern calling conventions. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!